Ni bukan satu, ini bukan satu kepala kan. Sini dua-dua 2,000 lah. So kita bayar untuk bilik lah. Satu ribu, yelah. So Arun, we can share 1,000 each. 1,000 each. That's a good deal. Wow, they're gigantic, man. So big. One thing I noticed is that it's all in their writings. I can't seem to read it. So I'm not sure where these boats are going. Luckily we have a local down here, our friend. So we found the boat, guys. So it's pontoon number 5. This is where it leads you to Barisal. So the tickets here, we're gonna try and purchase maybe a room for me and Arun so that we can get some comfort, because Arun is working the night, so he needs a place to have some privacy. So we're in the boat right now that goes to Barisal. And I'm really getting a lot of attention right now down here, holding my camera. So that's one thing that stands out here. So it's pontoon number 5. There's a few pontoons you will come across here in this bay. There's pontoon 1, 2, 3. So those that goes to Barisal is pontoon number 5. And Arun, my friend here, is getting a lot of attention also from the locals down here. They all seem to be attracted to him. So now they're telling us to go and check the room. So this is the boat. Welcome to adventure number 1. Sago, where's the room? Oh, down there. So look, no, later. 9 o'clock. So these are the rooms. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful. Yeah, the cabin looks very nice. Yes. Very nice, huh? Yeah. So this is the type of room we'll be staying later. The journey will take 7 hours to Barisal. From there, we'll be completely alone. Where's the cabin? Oh, down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, very dark. Oh, it's a house. Is this sharing? Huh? Oh, wow. So this is how the VIP room looks like. Oh, okay. There's a chair. There's a bed. You get yourself a sink. Okay, personal toilet. Alright, bidet! This is what I need. Okay. Right here beside us is the boats. Okay. Very nice. So there's another one down here as well. I think it's the same. Oh wait, it's different. Here they have a closet.
What about the cabin?
Yeah, here they have 2 beds. One queen size, one single.
Do they have food?
I'm sure they have food. I think we would eat around here. Yeah, I think this whole place is a
What
sharing.
about the cabins over there?
Okay.
What about the cabin?
What about that? What about that? Is it available?
cabin কত করে জিজ্ঞেস
Is it available?
What about those cabins?
Cabin
2400
কত কও দুটো
204
And this?
কোনটা বিএপি নেবে
না ওইটার কথা
This?
এই কত
7000
এই কত
7000 ডলার
7000 টাকা
Oh, okay. Can we see the cabin?
I think share the one.
7000 money
Can we see the
This
cabin?
one? 7,000 is too much.
Can we see the cabin?
This one.
Cabin.
Is this one available?
I want cheap one.
Yeah, this one. This one's better, Sago. Yang macam ni sudah cukup.
Yalah 2000 saja.
Ini. Itu tak mau. Itu tak mau. Mahal sangat. Oh.
Why do you want to
Wow, 7,000 for that cabin earlier. I don't know what to say if Sago wasn't around, man. I think me and Arun could have taken the 7,000 cabin. So right now, my friend here, he needs an AC. So they're gonna show us the other side, because the one earlier was just too costly. 7,000 for 7 hours. I would pass. I'm okay with a fan, but because my friend is I don't know, he needs an aircon. So we gotta pay for that price. We're trying out another room because the one earlier is just too costly. So this is an AC room now. The side of the boat looks very nice. We just need a place to sleep. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
More than enough. There we go.
They don't have other side.
That's it. So we get a window. Can see outside. Beautiful.
All this AC.
Plus you get the Puriganga River. Look at that.
Okay.
Woo! Beautiful. Okay, I like this. You okay, Arun?
Yeah, okay.
Green light. How much? How much is this?
I check first.
Okay. So the price we need to check. 2,000, huh? Take it. Ni bukan satu, ini bukan satu kepala kan? Sini dua-dua 2,000 lah. So kita bayar untuk bilik lah. Satu ribu, yelah. So Arun, we can share 1,000 each. 1,000 each. That's a good deal. But let's just see first. Let's double confirm the price is 2,000. If it's 2,000, me and Arun are taking it. Alright, so we got ourselves a room. It's cost us 2,000, so we're making our way to Barisal. It's gonna be a 7 hours journey. So before we do our journey, we're gonna walk around first the Sadarghat, see what there is to do down here, and after that we'll take the boat because the boat is leaving at 9 p.m. Right now is what's the time?
7:38.
So it's 5:38 right now. So we have another 3 hours to explore this place before we take our boat straight to Barisal. So let's go and explore Sadarghat. Alright, so we're gonna ride these boats here. We're gonna cross across the river in the Buriganga River. So we're gonna make our way on the other side down there. We wanna go and see what there is down there. Quite curious. Seems to be very chaotic also down here. From the roads to the boats to all kinds of places. Every time it's always a new thing to see. Look at that. Very traditional. Okay, let's go and experience the Buriganga River. So we found a boat.
No, just we want for 2 hours down there for a while.
Yes, up down.
Stop for a while. Okay. Yeah, just 2 hours. Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Sit down. Alright, sit down. Don't capsize the boat, Arun. Stay steady. So this is like doing the Venice of Italy, but the Bangladesh version of it. Let's go! Nice smile. Alright, we made it to the other side. Time to get off. Okay, go. Alright, down the bar, huh? So now we're walking in the streets here across the river. So this is what it's like down here. Also chaotic. Lots of rickshaw. I think I noticed here in Bangladesh they have a lot of rickshaws down here. So many of them. It's like it's not only people, there's also lots of rickshaws. This bicycle type. And then the horn as usual keeps on going and going. Everywhere I go around Bangladesh, the horn is never non-stop. My ears already is getting used to it right now. So this is what we're seeing out here in the streets.
I'm gonna get that.
There's jackfruit down here. Where are you getting? Oh, there's some fried food. Trying it out?
Yeah.
Okay, we can give we can have a few tidbits down here. Some street food.
Yep.
Oh, very yeah. Wow, you get tired man hearing the noise. It's like it works you down the whole day, you know, with the noise pollution. So congested. So we get some sugar canes as well, the sugar cane, some fruits.
They look fresh.
I think that's chai, right?
Chai. Tea.
Tea
Tea is chai.
Yeah. Looks like it. Look at these local kids. Welcome to Bangladesh. Welcome to Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Alright. How do you find the place? Is it easy to get around?
Well, I like the place, to be honest. I expected different. I mean, I expected that I wouldn't like, but it looks like 10,000 beats. Dhaka is really nice.
Yeah.
And you either need to know Hindi or Bengali if you want to like have bargain stuff and have things into like having cheap things. Because anywhere in other parts of India, mostly I can survive with English. But over here it's like a little bit
challenging.
difficult. Yeah, even though this is capital, Dhaka is capital, but most people speak Hindi or Bengali. Even some don't speak Hindi. So it's gonna be like a little bit difficult if you're not going to speak Hindi or Bengali. But we are still surviving, so kudos to that.
Yeah, I also heard some of them can speak Urdu as well, the Pakistan language as well.
Right.
So if you can speak Urdu or Hindi or Bengali, you can survive around this country. English is a bit challenging, so we really had a rough time understanding what they're trying to say, but they try their best to communicate with you, but most of the time we end up doing sign languages and we get lost. That's one thing I can say. So Arun, what are we doing actually right now?
We're heading to that bridge over there.
Okay. Alright, let's go see that bridge. Okay guys, so we came across some barbers on the street sides here. Quite interesting to find you doing your haircut on the main road. The busy side of Bangladesh. So, look at that. But do you think you want to give it a try? I don't think you got time, right?
You can get for yourself.
But my hair is still short. I don't think I need a haircut. But if my hair was long, I probably will try it out. It would be a nice experience, huh? Doing it in the streets, yeah? While we were walking in the streets, we came across some of the laundries on the sides. You can see, I think they did their laundry in this river down here. Don't you think? Yeah?
Well, this is the old style.
Yeah.
People always used to, wash clothes on the riverside. But for me personally, I don't think this river is that clean enough.
Yeah.
I do see like kids there like taking a shower, taking a bath in the river, and these all, washing the clothes. But you can see, have a look, the river is not that clean if you see.
Yeah. It's quite polluted, the river.
Yeah.
But it's one of the most busiest river, I would say, in Bangladesh, because I can see so many boats passing by. So it used to be a very important hub during the olden days, for sure, right?
Yes.
Probably because
And the river, the view is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You gotta see this.
it's amazing down here. Bangladeshi kids, hello! Thunderbird! Alright, let's make a move. Thunderbird, huh? Alright. Alright, so I managed to meet some local kids down here. Very friendly, they all just want to be in the video. So that's one thing nice about this country. Everybody is all smiling. So these kids, they've been following us since just now. Ever since I gave them that $1. These kids try to hitch a ride with us and they expected us to pay for it. Yeah. Alright, so they're gonna disembark because they all tried their luck with us. Very naughty kids. Mischievous. They thought they could hitch a ride with us and then they're expecting us to pay for it. Even the man who was like taking the boat also got shocked, asking whether we're bringing them with us.
Yeah.
Touchdown! Almost there. There we go. That's it. Safe and sound. So I'm gonna balance this boat for Arun because he almost capsized the boat earlier. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, safe and sound.
Okay, hold up. So usually it costs only like about $10 per head from here to go there.
Okay.
So if you're coming for like a tourist, people will tell you it's like 100, 200. People will demand that, but do know it's $10 per head. Okay. If you want to give more than that, maybe like extra $10 is okay, $20 per head. But if they say 100, 200, no. Say no, stick to 10 or 20 per head.
Shout out to my friends. The last time we did in Egypt, the sugarcane. Here also they have it. Fear, Ara. I'm gonna have sugarcane here in Bangladesh with Arun.
We did also in India, right?
Yeah, we did in India. We did in India.
We did.
So we want to rehydrate. We're quite tired right now. It's quite humid down here, especially from the walk across the street.
Yeah, they say the weather is like 31 but feels like 42.
Yeah.
It's kind of true.
Yes. Of course it's 42 because you're wearing your jacket, Arun. We got our sugarcane. Cheers, Arun. Okay, it's not similar to the ones I had in Egypt where it's very sweet. Here it's very plain. Very plain, not sweet.
Yeah, I would like it a little strong, but
yeah.
it's okay.
But it's actually, if you ask me, it's a healthier version of doing it compared to the one in Egypt where it's very sweet. I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes when I do it in Egypt. But in here, it's quite healthy. It's like, I think it's natural. I think they just squeeze this and then they get the juice out of it and that's about it. No sugar added. Very good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to watch more of my other videos guys, please click in the next video down here guys. click here. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Huh? See you in my other video.